guys, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a sofa using Tinker in 3D. Okay, so let's start. So, first, we have to add a box and let's make it a little big. And the radius should be 1.95. Let's change the color to gray and it should be solid, not whole. Okay. So now copy this and click on it and do control C and then do control V. Again control V. Okay, so now you can see like this. You have to move these. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Now we are going to add a box. Make it as whole. Okay. Just for now. It's just for now we are going to make. Just let's adjust it properly. Now let's make it solid and grayish color. Okay, let's remove it from here. And the radius is going to be 1.49. Okay, it's going to be 1.49. Okay, so keep. Now here we are going to place it properly on this. Yeah, wow. We are placed it here properly. Yeah, let's move it a little bit back because this looks quite front. Yeah, perfect. Now let's place the third one too. Perfect. Now let's go to the top sides. Here you will be easily able to see and you can adjust it quite easily. Yep. So now let's go at the back. Yeah, you can see it's so amazing. And it's proper too. Alright. Yeah. Let's go to the front. And now you can see this looks little bit as up and this also looks little bit of up. So now we have made it down. So now perfect. Now add a box. Okay. Make this part as quite not that big. This much will be the perfect. Will be perfect. Okay. So now whole. Let's make it whole for now. Okay. So yeah, yeah. So it's now let's make it little bit small from the inner part. Yeah. Let's make it little bit thin. You know. So let's make it little bit big. Make it solid and gray color like this grayish. Place it back. Okay. If you're able to see at the top, like yeah, you can place it properly. Yeah. Go to the top. Yeah. Yeah. Now here the radius is going to be quite like wait. No. The radius is going to be as 2.87. The radius is going to be 2.87. Correct. Now I'm just adjusting it. So now let's make it a little bit higher because that looks quite down. Little bit higher. Yeah. So now you can see it's like little bit. We need the sides like when you sit. So you need a thing that your hand will support. It will support your hand and you can keep any things on it. So for that, take a box. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, let's make it little bit big. And then from this side, yeah, let's move it. Yeah, here we can place it like this. Now change the color to gray. And now let's make it little bit higher because that looks quite down. And now put the radius as 1.72. Okay. Now click on it and do Control C and Control V. You can see these are double. Now the same thing we are going to place it on the another side. So here you can see our sofa is quietly amazing, ready, and it looks the best sofa. It's it was very easy and quite good also, right? So now let's move it from all the sides and let's just see it. How does it look? Wow, it looks so nice. So guys, if you like this video and you want like this more amazing videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Always be with Enlighten your coding skills. Bye guys.